Okay, I just got done servicing the radio on this thing. This is model number, what does it say, 7-44158. Radio had issues turning on. Like I would flip the switch and it wouldn't do anything. Unless I put it on the alarm thing, then it would start working, which I didn't get it. Now it's on the on position, and you can hear it.
Americans been forced to provide their own security. And I want you to take just a moment, just for fun, doesn't cost anything, cast a vote in my Twitter poll. We put it up in 2 places, on Twitter @Lars.
And I'm thinking about changing my YouTube channel name, but sadly AM does not work. There's no antenna in it for AM, but there's an antenna for FM, so well, I use FM AFC anyway, so see FM AFC AM whatever MHZ and KHZ X10 means. Well, let's turn it up so you can hear it. Oh, too loud. There's the time changing. The clock works fine, except there's one little problem. The light doesn't work. It's okay, I can change that when I get a tiny bulb off of Amazon. Speaker's located back here.